Welcome to Tora 101's trial preparation session. Today we're going to be looking at Maths Paper 1. This is the 2024 exam paper written in Gauteng. The question paper was 3 hours in duration with a total marks of 150. It had 11 pages and 1 information sheet. So just a couple of instructions and information before we get started. The question paper consists of 12 questions. So always check that you do have in total 12 questions and answer all questions as best you can. Clearly show all the calculations, diagrams, graphs, etc. that you have used in determining your answers. Answers only will not necessarily be awarded for marks. That means that you have to provide the steps that you used in getting to your answer. You may use an approved scientific calculator, non-programmable, and non-graphical. Non-programmable here means that this is a calculator that cannot be programmed by the consumer. Non-graphical means that it doesn't do graphs. It doesn't give you the visual representation of a graph. And then, if necessary, round off answers to 2 decimal places unless stated otherwise. And an information sheet with formulae is included at the end of the question paper. Check if it's present always, and number the questions according to the numbering system used in this question paper. And finally, write neatly and legibly. And a few points to note when they are marking your paper. If you've answered a question twice, only the first attempt is going to be marked, regardless of which attempt is correct. And if you have crossed out an answer and you did not redo it, the crossed out steps will be marked. And they're saying that it's unacceptable to assume values or answers in order to solve a problem. That means that you're not allowed to make any assumptions about values. You always use what's given to you. Okay. So now we're going to take a look at the first question. So for question 1, given that 2k is equal to x minus 5 multiplied by x minus k, determine 1.1.1 k if x is equal to 2. Right, so the marks here always give you an indication of the time you should be spending per question. Right, so this is a 2-mark question, meaning that we do not expect to spend that much time answering it. So for 1.1.1, we're given that x is equal to 2 and we want to solve for k. That's 2k is equal to x minus 5, x minus k. In the place of x, we'll sub in 2 minus 5, 2 minus k. And this is 2k minus 3, 2. This is going to be minus 6 plus 3k. And we can move the 3k to the left side. And this is k is equal to 6. Right, so you'll be awarded a mark for simplification as well as a mark for the final answer. And then 1.1.2 says that determine x if k is equal to 2. This is for k is equal to 2, and we want to solve for x. This is 2 times 2, and this is x minus 5, and x minus 2. Right, so note here that this is a formal question, meaning that we expect to do a bit more work in comparison to question 1.1.1. This is 4. And this can be simplified to x squared minus 7x plus 10. To just explain how we got there. So we multiply out the x with the x with the minus 2. And that's going to give us x squared minus 2x. And this here is minus 5 multiplied by x. And minus 5 multiplied by minus 2. And that's plus 10. And this is x squared minus 7x plus 10 is equal to 4. We can move the 4 to the left side. And this is going to be 10 minus 4. That's 6. And this can be written as x minus 6 and x minus 1. All right, so here that implies that our x is equal to 6 or x is equal to 1. So that's the final answer here. So how you will be awarded marks here is that the simplification will be considered, as well as the standard form. So the standard form here refers to x squared minus 7x plus 6 being equal to 0. That's the standard form. And so essentially, this here is worth a mark. That's the simplification. And then the standard form here, that's worth a mark as well. The factors, that's worth a mark. And 2 answers combined, that's worth a mark. So in total, you get 4 marks.